Today we'll talk about how can you disable autocomplete on your app, on your money manager app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on more down here, and you just click here on more. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on configuration. When you just click on it, you come to next step here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down. So you come here to autocomplete here. You just click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on off. So then here autocomplete, it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish now I gave it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.